Get ready your clips. Adjust ratio according to you. Add your first pick. Remove background. Extract sound from album or from your device. Now add beats. Now find the main beat and remove other beats. Now add keyframes and linear graph. Graph according to me. Now add cross video. I will show you at last that in my video you just screen recorded. Now go to Splice and select Lightroom.
Now create an outro to the pic, and same to the cross video. Now add a second pick and do the same like first pick keyframing.
add shake slide animation to dot the particles background video at 0.9 seconds.
And add unfold animation to the car video. Then freeze the beat point in the video. Adjust. Then go to the adjust. Saturation -40, contrast 11. Add unfold animation. Now add troll face emoji. Add same. Unfold animation. Go to Effects and add Black Flash 2.
Now go to ChatGPT and add text of BMW impressive prompt.
Copy prompt. Paste it. Adjust. Choose typing animation. Adjust. Go to Effects and choose Aeroquake. Then go to the prompt and add outro blur. Add your outro like I'm adding mine. Then add shake slide animation to the car video. For outro, add rock vertical animation. That's it exported. Make sure if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. This is basic editing. I'll make advanced editing also. Okay, bye-bye.